I understand that you are now paid monthly by check and that you are wondering how to deal with it full stop. When you approach the manager of the bank, he will inform you that there are two kinds of accounts, namely, a deposit and a current account full stop. The deposit account is for the person who wants to save full stop. He pays his money into the bank and leave it there as long as he can and receives interest for doing so full stop. The current account is quite different full stop. It is used by those who have a same sum of money in hand but who know that they will have to pay out at least a part of this sum full stop. Since the sum in the current account is intended to be drawn at any moment and it cannot be used by the bank for any other purpose, the bank generally allows less interest on current account than on deposit account full stop.